Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. and your CRM webhook fails silently. You don't know until morning, and by then, the damage is done. Leads lost, opportunities missed, and a frustrated sales team waiting for answers. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. It's the nightmare scenario that keeps operations managers awake at night. Today, we're diving into the reality of automation failures in critical workflows and why monitoring solutions are not just nice to have, but essential infrastructure. Let's cut through the noise and get real. Most operators aren't struggling because they're not smart or hardworking. They're drowning because they're trying to hold too much in their heads that should be living in systems. AI isn't a tool, it's infrastructure. Automation isn't about convenience, it's leverage. Yet many businesses misuse AI despite the best intentions because they see it as a shiny toy rather than the backbone of their operations. Let's talk about the unspoken truth. Automation fails when you need it most. It's not about the demo you saw, it's about the 2 a.m. failures you didn't. Systems are supposed to remove human dependency, not add to it. But when we rely on AI without understanding its limits, we set ourselves up for failure. The problem isn't the technology, it's how we implement and sequence it. Most businesses bolt on AI like an afterthought, expecting it to magically solve problems. But real operators know it's about integration and anticipating failure modes. Consider this: a sales team that relies on a CRM integration to trigger follow ups. When the webhook fails, the entire process grinds to a halt. The team is left scrambling, manually checking statuses, and trying to piece together what went wrong. The hidden cost here is immense: mental load, decision fatigue, and growing resentment towards technology that's supposed to make life easier. Let's get specific. AI should be seen as decision architecture, not just software. It's about creating a framework where the system handles the mundane, freeing up human brain power for strategic thinking. But here's where most get it wrong. They think more automation means less oversight. In reality, it requires more strategic oversight. You need to know where the system can fail and have contingencies in place. Here's a hard truth: if your systems aren't working under pressure, they're not working at all. It's not about how tools look in demos, it's about how they behave in the real world. And that's where most operators miss the mark. They focus on the tool, not the system. They see AI as a quick fix rather than a strategic component of their infrastructure. So, what happens if you ignore this for another year? Your business becomes a patchwork of stopgap solutions, each adding complexity and potential points of failure. You end up with systems that don't communicate, processes that are fragile, and a team that's burned out from managing chaos instead of driving growth. The takeaway here is clear: rethink how AI and automation function inside your business. Treat them as integral parts of your infrastructure. Focus on integration, sequence, and failure points. And most importantly, remember that the goal is to remove human dependency, not mask it with technology. As we wrap up, I challenge you to look at your current systems. Are they truly serving you, or are they silently failing when you need them most? It's time to recalibrate and ensure your automation is working for you, not against you. Until next time, keep questioning, keep refining, and keep building systems that truly support your business.